Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to animate and annotate a screenshot using Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Whether you're creating tutorials, product walkthroughs, or internal training materials, screenshots are a great way to show exactly what you're talking about. And with Doodly, we'll have the hand actually point them out and draw arrows and whatnot. Today, we'll pretend we're making a quick tutorial video for a fictional software company called Acme Desk. We'll show new users how to create a task in their dashboard. Of course, the first thing we're going to need is the actual screenshot. So I did take one, so let's create a new scene here, and let's upload it. So you want to make sure you're in props, hit the little blue and white plus sign, and upload it. Now this is just a fake dummy dashboard. It's not real. So something simple like that. Let's add a character now. So go to characters, let's type in point. Let's use him. Just for some visual interest. I do have a voiceover, so I'd like to bring that in now. So go to sounds, same process, blue and white plus sign. And you can either browse for your file or you can drag and drop it in. Here it is. Let's go back here and we will just give it a quick title screen. And let's bring in the logo. So go to props, blue and white plus sign. And again, same process. Do something like that, nothing too fancy. I'm going to hit the pencil icon and I'm going to turn it into a fade. Save and return. And it's just going to be a real quick one. And then that could take maybe 2 seconds. And then let's go to scene settings and we will add a little bit of time. Beginning, I'm saying welcome to Acme Desk, so that'll work out well. Then we'll bring in scene 2, and I think we want all of this already drawn. So we're going to turn the duration to 0 because the emphasis isn't going to be on these being drawn on. We want the emphasis with the arrows and stuff being drawn on. So let's see. Let's find a cursor. I like this, the hand. I think we'll use that. Basically, we're going to tell them where they're going to click each time. So we'll go right here. Now let's type in arrow. And let's just do this one here. This will be our next one. And then we want them to click on some of these things. So we'll do some more arrows. This one I'm going to flip because we want them doing this. Here, and then we want one more here. So I'm going to copy and paste this one, but before I do, I'm going to set the draw time to 1 second on each of these. And now I can copy and paste. Control or Command C to copy, Control or Command V to paste. And you just bring it down, and here's the next one we want. Then finally, the last one is this create task. So we'll do the hand again. And again, let's do 1 second for it before I copy and paste it. Because the pasted one gets the same timing. And just for some visual interest, let's change the rotation of it. Like that. You will notice that this scene is very short compared to how long it is actually going to be. It's actually going to take up this whole 35 seconds. So the way we're going to do that is through delays. Just depends on what my voice is talking about and when we want these to come on. Let's go to show preview and let's just take a look. Welcome to Acme Desk. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you. I said welcome to Acme Desk first, so let's make that first. Acme Desk. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create your first task. To get started, you can either click the plus new button at the top over here. Okay, so I need a delay before all this happens. I personally don't care for the erasing, so let's go ahead and turn that off. So make sure you're clicked, go to scene settings, erase mode. By default, it's on smart mode. We want it off. To get started, you can either click the plus. Okay, so here is when I want it to start. So it looks like I need about a 2-second delay. So we'll go to this one and just add 2 seconds. To get started, you can either click the plus new button at the top over here, that was fine, or go straight to the new task. This one right here needs to be delayed. I did notice that these are out of order. So this is the one here. So I'm going to move that up. And I'm going to put, I'd say maybe 4 seconds. Well, maybe a little less. Let's try that. Click the plus new button at the top over here, or go straight to the new task panel on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, so that timing is fine. Then we need to add a delay here. And I'm still talking here, so let's add some time to the end of the scene. Go to Scene Settings, Extra Time. Now for the camera move. We want to start full screen and then zoom in here as we start talking about this. To do that, go down here to this part in the timeline. This is your camera panning and zoom tool. Hit the plus sign. This adds an effect. And we're going to move it down. I'm not sure exactly where. I'll move it in a moment, but let's just take a look. So click in. And you see the left is where we're starting and it's full screen. Right now we're ending in full screen, but what we want to do is we want to change the ending so that we're looking over here. I want to still be able to see the arrow pointing down. I think that will look good. Now we need to figure out where to place it. So let's just listen. In the task title here field, enter the name. Okay, so it needs to come down, more down here somewhere. So let's just see. Plus new button at the top over here, or go straight into the new task panel on. So I was pretty close. I think that's actually going to be where I want it. Straight to the new task panel on the right hand side of the screen. Next, in the task title here field, enter the. Once everything looks good, click the Create Task button at the bottom and you're all set. So this gets messed up because we're still zoomed in. So this is where we want to zoom back out at some point. So they've been looking at this for quite a while. Once that's there, so give it a second or two, and we're going to zoom out now. So right click right by your cursor and let's add panning and zooming. This adds another effect. So we're going to start here. This time we want to end full screen once again. Once everything looks good, click the Create Task button at the bottom. Okay, that looks great. So let's take one quick look and then we'll be done. Welcome to Acme Desk. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create your first task. To get started, you can either click the plus new button at the top over here, or go straight to the new task panel on the right hand side of the screen. Next, in the task title here field, enter the name of your task. You can then add context by selecting relevant tags, for example, design, planner, or survey, and you can assign team members by clicking on their names. Once everything looks good, click the Create Task button at the bottom and you're all set. Your task will now appear in the task list. And there you have it. That's how you can animate and annotate a screenshot in Doodly. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.